Your friends and family are and they are sabotaging you growing on this platform and affecting you making sales. Now, before you cry and start hating me in the comments, hear me out. Now, I have 2 TikTok accounts with a reasonable amount of followers. And none of my friends and family know about these accounts apart from really close people. Now, this is a place where I like to express myself freely, share my passion, share my knowledge with people, with like-minded people. Now, there are many benefits of not letting your friends and family know about your platforms. First one is avoiding judgment. This allows me to be more authentic without worrying about what they're really thinking. It can help me be more confident because scrutiny from your friends and your family, having little digs about your content, what you do, can really affect this. End result, you end up not posting content you want to talk about because you're trying to impress your friends and family. By doing this, also gives you more freedom to explore different topics and formats and styles. A lot of your friends and family might not really know how social media platforms work or the algorithms work and how important engagement is. Therefore, if they don't interact with your content, it's going to affect your content getting pushed out, meaning they're sabotaging your growth. Another issue is if they're not your ideal audience and they start commenting your posts, the algorithm is going to think that's the type of audience to push your content to, and that means it's going to affect your future posts and you making sales. So they are ruining your account more ways than one. To maintain and have your own dignity, niche dignity. If they don't understand what you're doing, your concept, your idea, your passion, your niche, they're going to throw all sorts of opinions at you, and even though they know nothing about the subject, you don't need that shit. And create awkwardness. For example, someone's following your friend and you choose not to follow them back because it doesn't serve you any purpose because you're focusing on only people in your niche. You're more freedom to monetize. Trust me, when you start making money from social media, everyone's going to have an opinion about it. Set some boundaries with your friends and families, explaining the importance of having an online presence, how important engagement is. With your content, focus on creating content that attracts the right audience, not any audience. You stay true to yourself. Don't let your friends and families dictate your content. You need to change your privacy settings and block certain people from seeing your content and shit, then do so. You need more help or more motivation, like surround yourself with like-minded people, join an accountability group, hire a coach, like me, for example. Because that way you've got people on your team who understand what you do and want you to strive forward. When you first start a business, it's great for your friends and family to help you out in the beginning to get you some much needed social proof and testimonials, but you don't really want to rely on your friends and family running a business. Learn how to get clients, get leads, sell your products, talk about them, create content that resonates, right? And then you'll be unstoppable. To your friends and family, follow you.